Hey guys, Vas Blogodarsky here, in for Joshua Zamora, and I'm here to give you a demo of what VideoPages can do. You're going to be really impressed with this. What I'm going to show you is how you can use VideoPages to clone pretty much any video site you can find in just a few minutes, with no coding and no expensive designers. Now, VideoPages is coming out on Wednesday, 1st of April. There's going to be a big launch special deal, and you can get an extra discount on top of that. I'll tell you how to get that at the end of the video. But first, let's check out the software. This is the page we're going to clone. It's a nice little video site, and it's what people call a content-first squeeze page, which means it gives some valuable information up front and then asks for the opt-in. And this is a really good technique. People are getting a bit tired of being asked to opt in before they know what you've really got. And so you've probably seen your conversion rates fall off quite a lot with a normal page. But with this kind of page, where you deliver content right away, I know of a lot of people seeing really good conversion rates, even off of cold traffic. And this is also why video is really good, because you can make this kind of page so much easier with video. If you were going to write out everything this guy says, it'd go on for ages, and no one would read it. But a few minutes of video, that's great. I'll just watch that and type in my email address. You know what I mean? Now, this is a nice, simple page, because you don't want any distractions when you're getting an email address. But even so, if you don't know how to code, if you can do the CSS and HTML yourself, it's going to cost you a few $100s to get a web designer to lay it all out for you. And there's some nice stuff here too, like this effect when you put your mouse over the opt-in button. The way it pushes in like that, it's like it's saying, click me. You know? That's something you'd normally need to get a developer for. But this page didn't need a designer, didn't need a developer. This page was done entirely in VideoPages. And you can build one just like it in just a few minutes. No code, no designers, just drag and drop. Let's put 5 minutes on the clock and go over to VideoPages to show you how easy it is. You might have seen this in the PDF, and you can see it here, that VideoPages comes with a load of pre-made templates. But we're not going to use any of those today. We're going to start with a completely blank canvas. So I'm going to create a new campaign. Let's call it Content Video Squeeze. And now I'll pick Custom Page. So now we've got a completely blank canvas, absolutely nothing here, and let's start the clock. First of all, I'll add a page background. So we'll go into Settings, Page Settings, and here you can choose the background for your page. You can have colors, images, or, oh, this is really cool, you can even have video backgrounds. Pulling the video you want to use straight in from YouTube. I love video backgrounds. They're amazing at grabbing attention as soon as you get the visitor to land on your page. And in some niches, I've seen conversion rates triple from just using this one feature. But this time we're just using an image, so let's just select that. You can upload your own images, or you can use VideoPages' built-in library. Here's the one we need, so let's use that. Now, our page elements. It was a single column page, so we just need to click on columns, get a one column section, and drag and drop that in, just like that. There was a bit of space above and below, so in the column settings, we'll change the top and bottom margin to 10. That looks about right. If you want more or less, that's fine. Just change the number or adjust the slider. That's it. Okay, now we need a headline. Then we're going to need the subheadline and the actual video. So what we'll do is we'll take the text widget and we'll drop that in twice, like this. One for the headline and one for the subheadline. And now I'll type in the headline. I'm going to make it big and black. And then the subheadline was a bit smaller and a light gray color. And you see how easy this is. No coding at all. You're just editing things right on the page inside of your browser. And the subheadline has a bit more space around it. So let's give it a bit of a top and bottom padding. And then we'll take the video widget and we're going to drop that video widget right below. And moving these things around is really, really easy. Let's say you want the subheadline below the video. No problem. Just pick it up, move it, and you're done. If you decide that it looked better where it was, that's fine. Let's just put it back. Now, how simple was that? Setting up the video, that's also really simple. Just go into the settings, pick the video type, whether it's from YouTube or a different source, and then put the URL in here. VideoPages will sort out all of the embedding for you. And there's a load more options here. You can have it autoplay, you can turn the sound off, you can leave the controls on or turn them off. Just flick the switch. Now we've got the video in. We need to set up the call to action and the opt-in itself, right? Right. I mean, we're building a squeeze page just now, but you could use it for anything else at any point in time in the future. Sales pages, webinars, Kindle books, t-shirts. It's like just a few minutes to put together a really nice page, and you can use it right away to sell pretty much anything. Now, like I said, we need an opt-in form. So let's drop in that widget. And we don't want full width, we want it half width. You get the full control over here, folks. On the bottom button, we want the change to a darker blue, and then we want to change the text, the call to action text on the actual button, to send it to me. Okay, we can even add a little special effect here to the button. Remember that push effect where the button almost invites the click in? Just go over to hover effects, and there's loads here to choose from. You want to see what they do? Just pick one. Okay, let's have pulse. And then put your mouse over the button in the editor. Look at that. We want push on this one, so let's have that. And a final bit of text for the anti-spam notice. Save what we've done. And that's it. We've built a page, and even with me explaining things to you as we went, we've still got a bunch of time on the clock. Now, that's pretty amazing, isn't it? We got all this done in less than 5 minutes. There's not even any delay in publishing. We can just go to the dashboard right now, click the URL, and there, it's live. Now, this is just a short video, but there's a lot more to VideoPages. It can do much, much more, and I'd like to show that to you too. So what you need to do right now is get a bit of paper or get Notepad open, and you need to write this down, because this is also going to be how you get your special discount on this software. Okay, on April 1st, I will be hosting a live webinar, so write that date down. That's April 1st, 04/01/2015. That's a Wednesday. And you're going to get a really good deal on this. I mean, the public price of VideoPages is going to be pretty expensive. And, you can probably see why. It's not only hugely flexible, but it's also really, really fun to use. I've used a few landing page builders before, and I haven't quite enjoyed any of them as much as this one. Just the sheer amount of stuff you can do so easily is incredible. But we'll be opening the gates with a big launch discount on April 1st, and if you're on this webinar, then you're going to get an even better price. We'll be giving you money off the launch price, but that is only for people who attend the webinar, and the places are limited. So what you need to do is click the link below and sign up right now. You'll get a full tour of the VideoPages software. You'll see all the templates, you'll see all the features, and you'll see some really cool ninja stuff that's not even been revealed yet. Plus, of course, you'll be able to ask me any questions you want about the software. And you're going to get your special extra discount. So you'll be able to get into VideoPages earlier than everyone else and at a much better price. This webinar starts on Wednesday, April 1st. So click the button below and sign up right now. My name is Vas Blagodarsky in for Joshua Zamora, and I'm looking forward to seeing you there on the webinar when you'll see what VideoPages can really do on Wednesday, April 1st, 2015. See you inside.